Right, the first thing we're going to cover is navigation. And the three most commonly used forms of navigation are tumbling, zooming, and panning. Tumbling is where you middle click and drag in any direction, and your point of view will appear to orbit around the shape in the center of the screen. Next up is zooming, and you can zoom simply by scrolling the wheel on the mouse. That'll zoom you in and out of the object. There's a second way to scroll with more finesse, with more control, and that is to hold the control button on the keyboard, click the middle mouse button and slide in and out. You can see the difference there. This is far more fine-tuned, whereas the scroll wheel jumps in steps like this. Scroll wheel is good for quick movements. Control is good for those very gentle, fine touches, fine tuning. Next up is panning, and to pan, you hold the shift key down, middle click, and drag left, right, up, down, wherever you want to go. Another useful navigation technique is focusing. Focusing is when you select an object and press the full stop key on the number pad, which is normally found to the right-hand side of your keyboard. That'll zoom you in or focus you in on the object. So you can see here, if I click the cube on my screen to the left and press focus, it'll take me to that one. If I click the cube on the right, it'll take me to that one. Or the cube in the middle, it'll take me to that one. Hand in hand with focusing is the home key, which zooms you back out again. So if I've zoomed in on a cube like this using the full stop key, I can then press the home key, which is just found up by the delete and insert key. It'll take me back out again. So full stop key to zoom in and home key to zoom back out again.